Hi you guys, it's Delise, and today I'm back with another YouTube video, and today's video is going to be on how to apply eyeliner. And I'm basically just going to show you how I apply my own eyeliner and what's easy for me, because I know that multiple people struggle with applying eyeliner and it's just really hard. So yeah, other than that, let's get on with the video. Alright, so the product that I am using is the Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner, and if you're a beginner, I do not recommend this eyeliner just because it dries up really fast, and if you make one mistake, it's going to be hard to take off just because it's waterproof. So that's one thing, that's the only concern I have about this eyeliner for you guys. So I would go with something that's not waterproof and something that it's a lot more easier for you. So yeah. Alright, so when I start with the eyeliner, I usually like to take a little bit off. Alright, so I always like to start at the outer corner of my eye, and I like to create a thin line as I can, and then I'm going to flick it a little just like I did right there. And then you're going to start kind of in the middle just so we can get that effect, that sharp effect of a wing, and you're going to create a triangle. Now, once you create that triangle, you're going to try to filling it in as much as you can, and then like at the end you can perfect it. And then right over here, what I'm doing is I'm dragging the liner kind of going into my inner corner, but then right in this next clip, just give it a moment. Right over here, I'm starting from my inner corner, and I'm just going to connect it from where I left off, which was like right kind of in between the middle. Alright, now that I'm done with this eye, I'm just gonna go ahead and just finish up the other eye. Alright guys, so that's basically the end of this video, and I really hope that this gave you at least an idea on how to apply eyeliner, or that this technique that I use at least worked for you guys. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you guys want, you guys can comment anything you guys would like for me to upload next. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye guys.